Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jody and I'm really glad that you're here. So today I am super excited to bring this video to you because I have been on the hunt for really good clean beauty skincare products for not just anti-aging but for anyone. But I really wanted a good clean beauty, and the clean beauty industry is estimated to be at about $22 billion by 2024 compared to $761 billion of the beauty industry holistically by 2024. So you can see that clean beauty is growing in the space, but 22 billion versus 761, it's hard to find its place, but it is growing every year. So, and the reason I think it's growing is because the amount of chemicals that we're starting to find out are in products is becoming more and more I think we're becoming more aware of it, right? And we're able to make the choice on, do we want to continue to put that on our skin, or is there yet a product that can work as good, if not better, without all the chemicals and some of the products that we're not really even sure what impact it's having on our health downstream. So I have been looking for and sort of been on this path of clean beauty and trying different clean beauty products, both in cosmetics as well as skincare. And I'll link some of those in the description box down below as well as up here, so you can click on them if you're interested. But one of the clean beauty brands that I've really been interested in is one called Chia. And it's been around for a number of years, and its founder, her name is Suzanne Norwitz, and her dad was a plastic surgeon, and he used to go to Guatemala and he would perform lip surgery on children that had cleft lip. And she became really interested in the Guatemala people, it's also home of the Maya people. And that's where the beginning name of Chia came from. And then she started to learn, Suzanne did, more about the health benefits and the wellness benefits of the chia seed and the profound impact that the chia seed and primarily its oil can have on skin. And so then she set out to really create a clean skincare product, and then it's gone on to be multiple products that would lend itself to the beauty effects that chia seeds have. I have done some research on the company. I always research a company before, and I research the claims that they say they do and who they are, because we're seeing more and more companies coming from cosmetic surgeons or cosmetic surgeons' family members, and I think that it's great because there's a more in-depth knowledge of skincare and how the skin performs under different circumstances. But I'm always curious as to what's driving that, and I want to research not just the product, but the ingredient in the product, how the product is sourced, and then who is starting it and what their reasons are. So the whole story with Chia has been very impressive to me, and when you read about Suzanne and her family and the philanthropy work that her father has done, it just sounds like it comes from a good place. And then when you read about the products that they are, or the ingredients that they're putting into the products, I became even more intrigued. This video is not sponsored. You know, they didn't send me this product. They sent it to me, they shipped it to me once I paid for it, but no one gave this product to me. So I think it's important to say that. Now, the first product that I ordered from Chia is the Eye Achiever, and I am making an entire video about this one product. That's how much I believe in it, and that's how much I wanted to bring it to you guys as an audience, because first and foremost, my determination is to bring you products that work, and my loyalty is to my subscribers. So when I tried this product, I've been using it for about 90 days, and I really wanted to see how well it works. I put it on as a serum under my eyes in the evening and just let it sit in throughout the evening in the night. And then I put it on in the morning. I put about half the amount on in the morning. And what it is this is 3 ounces, and it comes with a little roller ball. And I put it right on my finger. And then I'll just put 3 little dots under my eye. And I don't do 3 on each eye if it's in the morning and I'm gonna put makeup over it. I just put the 3 dots on my finger and then evenly distribute it underneath my eyes, and then just pat that in and let it really absorb. Now, as it's absorbing, I'll do something else, like I'll brush my teeth or I'll pick out my earrings for the day or something while I'm letting that really absorb in. Now, the consistency of it is thinner than a serum, but thicker than an oil, if that makes sense. So it does wear nice. You probably won't pick that up on camera, but it does wear nice underneath the eyes and underneath a concealer. So once I let that absorb, and again, I usually let that go for, I don't know, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, something like that, and absorb. Then I will go in with my concealer. Now in this case, I'm going to use the Age Rewind by Maybelline, which is one of my favorite concealers. And again, I hardly ever go in right on my face. I don't know why I do that, but I just always start on my finger. I feel like I have better control maybe. And maybe my finger can push into whatever little wrinkles are left. And I'll just pat that on and let that concealer sit on top of it. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I have some serums that I've tried before under my eyes that are thick and they look good, but then when I put concealer on it, my concealer sort of slides around throughout the first couple hours, even if I put a loose powder on it. So I don't find that a serum of any thickness works very well in the day, but yet you need that moisture underneath your eyes to give them that plumpness so they don't look dry and cakey throughout the day. Especially if you wear glasses, because glasses definitely have that magnification through the lenses that can highlight or accentuate those creases under your eyes. So this would be a really good product for people that have glasses to help keep that under eye area very moisturized. And then you just simply put your concealer on right over it. Now I've tried with this oil, this Eye Achiever they call it, I've tried the Maybelline, it works fine. I've got the Tarte Shape Tape, I can put that on this other eye. I've tried the Dior under it. The Dior concealer works well, doesn't slide around. So regardless of the concealer that you choose to use and the price point, this Eye Achiever has not shown much sliding around under a variety of concealers that I have used. And then of course I would go in and set that with some sort of a, whether it's your Laura Mercier powder, or if it's the Shiseido powder or whatever powder. Elf has a really good powder that you would set that with underneath the eye. And it works flawlessly. Now, I will do that in the day. In the evening, I'll put about the same amount, 3 different dots underneath my eyes, and just let that stay throughout the evening. Now, I've also shared a video of me microneedling, which is one of my hands down best tricks, if you will, for it's not only sun damage, but skin repair and anti-aging skincare. Now, if I use that micro needle over this part of my lip, which as I'm getting older, I'm finding I'm starting to get those smoker lines, which I've never been a smoker. I did drink out of straws when I was younger, but I stopped doing that years and years ago once we learned that that helps cause those wrinkles. So I will micro needle, and then I will use this Eye Achiever over that area also, because again, it's thin enough that it will penetrate through your skin. But if you've microneedled and you've created those extra holes, then a good product like this will really be able to penetrate down into the multiple layers of your skin. And then I'll do that in the evening so that this can stay on throughout the night uninterrupted without any other product on top of it. Now, one of the things that I also think is important is that, when you get a package from Beautylish. Beautylish is a fantastic place to order a lot of cosmetics, a lot of skincare products. They carry all the new Wayne Goss stuff. They're out of San Francisco. When you receive a package that you've ordered from, whether it's Beautylish or Apple does a phenomenal job with this, the packaging itself makes you feel like you've got something special. This was no different. I was really impressed with this because once I ordered it and I received it, it came in the mail, but when I opened it, there was not only, this nice extra tissue instead of just a normal tissue or some bubble wrap. I felt like it was put together with some level of desire to make a good impression. It came with the box. I just kept that to show you. But then it also came with a sample of a different product, which I thought was really nice to give. Certainly, it's, it gives you a chance to try other products, which I thought was super nice. But then it came with this card, and this isn't cheap cardstock. This is a nice card, and I felt, wow, I really felt special from ordering this package. When I opened this, inside of it was a very nice, heavy cardstock, shiny description of all of the innovative product or ingredients that were in this product. highlights each one of them, talks about each one of them. It says the Eye Achiever Beautiful Skin Powered by Nature and Innovation. The Eye Achiever is a concentrated multi-correctional serum expressly created to treat the delicate skin around the eyes. It's fast absorbing yet potent, infused from the most nutrient-dense plant oils and macro and microalgae extracts. This serum will revitalize, brighten, and restore firmness, while intensely moisturizing and protecting the delicate skin around the eyes. And I have to say, I have definitely seen that happen over the course of the last, it's been about 90 days, I think 87 days to be exact. And I've been not only impressed with how well it works, but also how well makeup can lay on top of it. So again, I just felt like this was a product that I've done enough research that I felt good about them. You can follow them on Instagram. It's mayachiabeauty.com. and Maya Chia at Instagram. And I've really liked this product. So I wanted to bring it to you guys so that you could see if it was something that you wanted to check out. And it's definitely worth the investment. This 3 ounces was $75. It will last a while, I suspect. I can't, it's a dark bottle, so I can't tell you how much is left, but I've only used it, for 3 months, but I've used it twice a day. But such little amount comes out because of that roller ball on the end of it. So I love how nice it feels, and it does not feel oily at all. So I think this is something that you guys would really enjoy with your makeup routine for anti-aging. It with my microneedling are 2 products that I will not be without. Of course, my coconut oil and my sunscreen, coconut oil, microneedling, and this the Eye Achiever. So that is a skincare routine for anti-aging. I check out their website there. I think there's a lot of other things on there that you might find that you would like as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pick this up for yourself, or maybe a girlfriend if they're, doing some anti-aging, but it's clean beauty, and clean beauty is super important nowadays. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, come back and give me some comments in the notes if you've tried it, and I'd love to know what you think about the brand, as well as a specific product or any other products that you've tried from Maya Chia or other clean brands, clean products that you've used that would be good for us to share and talk about on this channel. I'd love to hear that as well. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Enjoy anti-aging and all that comes with it, and any clean beauty products. And we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.